Okay, hi my dear friends. Parabola second part. In the part 1 we have seen introduction part and what is the general standard form of parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax. What is the diagram of the parabola, what are the points, key points, means what is vertex, what is focus. Okay, so this kind of concepts we have learned in the previous part. Now from this part we can enter into the 2 marks questions, then after we can learn 7 marks questions. So first, before going to 2 marks questions, just 4 simple definitions are there. So very simple definitions. First one is chord. Chord means, actually this is like parabola. Chord means what? The line joining 2 points on parabola is called chord. That's it. Like chord on circle, how? Like that, chord on parabola. And if that chord passing through focus, that is called focal chord. That is called focal chord. Second definition. If chord is passing through focus, that is called focal chord. Very simple. Okay. Focus. Yes. Next, double ordinate. Double ordinate means, see, focus, whenever focus is perpendicular to axis, that is called double ordinate. Next, latus rectum. Latus rectum means parabola, focus, yes, the double ordinate passing through the focus, that is called latus rectum. See, this is simply chord, this is focal chord because of chord passing through focus. This is latus rectum because it is perpendicular to axis, and whenever this latus rectum passing through the focus, that is called double ordinate. Sorry, I am extremely sorry. Double ordinate means perpendicular to axis. Next, whenever this double ordinate passing through focus, that is called latus rectum. So last one is latus rectum. Last one, latus rectum, it passing through focus. Next, last, the very most important thing is focal distance. Focal distance means the distance from a point to focus, that is SP, that is called focal distance, and the distance is x1 plus a. What is the focal distance? x1 plus a. So this formula is very useful. These are the concepts. Just listen the concepts. Okay. So the important thing is focal distance is x1 plus a. For example, take the first question. So this is important 2 marks question. We have only 9 2 marks questions. Those are enough. Okay. If you see the previous question papers, so from these 9 questions only we get 2 marks important question. Okay. So first one, find the coordinates of a point on parabola y square equal to 2x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. Okay. Solution. What is parabola? Y square equal to 2x is given. Generally we have to compare with the general equation y square equal to 4ax. So by comparing these two, x coefficient 4a, here x coefficient 2, that means what? 4a is given as 2. So that means a equal to 4 send right side, it goes to denominator 2 by 4. So we get 1 by 2. So a value is 1 by 2. Okay. And given that the focal distance is 5 by 2, and given that focal distance is equal 5 by 2. Actually, what is focal distance formula? The focal distance formula is x1 plus a. Okay, just now we have seen the distance, focal distance is x1 plus a. So x1 plus a equal 5 by 2. And already a means what? A value we know, that is 1 by 2. So that is called 5 by 2. So x1 is equal 5 by 2. 1 by 2 send right side becomes minus 1 by 2. So x1 equal 2 is LCM, 5 minus 1 is 4, means 2 to ja. So x1 value is 2. So one of the ordinates 2, x1 we got it 2. Now substitute that x1 value in general equation 1. Okay. Now substitute x1 is equal to 2 in equation 1. So then equation 1 becomes what? Y square equal to 2x is there. So 2 into x means 2, that is 4. So y square equal to 4 means y equal to plus or minus 2. So we got it y value also. So after getting x and y values, we can write the answer. Very simple. So therefore coordinates of point are x1 comma y1. x1 is 2, y1 is plus or minus 2. Okay, or we can write 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma plus 2. These two are the points. Okay, so that is the solution of the first question. Is it clear? So similarly, one more question I would like to give you in the same way. So that is also repeated in the exam very mostly. Next, so please note down point by point. I will give the next question. Okay, any doubt? So dear friends, if you are newly watching, please subscribe. Already if you subscribed, please share with your friends also. So let us take next question. Okay, see the right side. The second question, same usually like first question. Find coordinates of a point on parabola y square equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. So this is also important question. Same usually y square equal to 8x parabola given. Compare with the general equation y square equal to 4ax. So we can write 4a is 8. Then a value taken as 8 by 4 means 2. Am I right? And given that focal distance is 10. Actually focal distance formula x1 plus a, that is equal to 10. So x1 plus a means what here? 2 is equal to 10. So x1 equal to centroid side becomes 10 minus 2 is 8. x1 value 8. Now substitute x1 value in equation 1, we get y values. So substitute x1 equal to 8 in equation 1. Then y square is equal 8 into x means 8, that is called 64. So 64, y square equal 64 means y equal plus or minus 8. 8 8 is 64. So what we can write? Therefore here I am writing, therefore coordinates are x1 comma y1. x1 is 8, y1 is plus or minus 8. Or we can write 8 comma minus 8 and 8 comma plus 8. So in these two way we can express. Okay, otherwise no need to write this. Write down this one, 8 comma minus 8, 8 comma 8. So these are the answers. Very simple and very most important question. This first and second are. Okay, so very important. Next, third question. Can I remove this? Okay. So third question. Same, third and fourth are similar questions. I explain third question. I will give you fourth for your homework. Find the equation of parabola with vertex 3 comma minus 2 and focus 3 comma 1. Okay. So in this type of question, if we locate these points on coordinate axis, we can identify that which general parabola equation is useful now. Because of generally parabola means y square equal to 4x. Not only that one, y square equal to 4x is a standard form, and in other way we have and more 7 or 8 parabola equations are there. So among these many parabola equations, which one we have to take as general equation to simplify this problem? So to know that, first simply, you may think this is rough work or main work, but write in the right side of your page. Okay, 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. What is the vertex is given? 3 comma minus 2. Where it is 3 comma minus 2 is here 3 minus 2. Am I right? Vertex A. And focus 3 comma 1. Focus is 3 comma 1. So here focus S. So always focus is inside the parabola. So our parabola may be like in this way. Am I right? So what is general equation of parabola to this kind of? Here vertex is not origin. Am I right? It is some h comma k, and this is actually this is y square equal 4ax, and this is y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. Okay, leave it. Next, and this is what y square equal minus 4ax. So again I am saying, first one y square equal to, this is y square equal 4ax. Second one, same graph, y square y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. And the third graph is y square equal to minus 4ax. And for this is y minus k whole square equal minus 4a into h minus k. Sorry, h minus x. Next, fifth one, x square equal to 4ay. So the graph is like in this, x square equal 4ay. But here origin is shifted to some h comma k. So at this time, what is the general form? X minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k. Okay, so this is the general form. So if we are in part 1, I told very clearly about what is the structure of the type of parabola equations graphs. So here, according to graph, I can take x minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k. Just keep in your mind this equation. First, vertex means it is considered h comma k. So solution, given that vertex is 3 comma minus 2. So this is h, this is k. So h value, k value, we got it. What about a value? A value we don't know, but how can we find? What is a? A means the distance from vertex to focus. Am I right? If it is 0, 0, it becomes a comma 0. Means vertex to focus distance is small a. So here also this a nothing but the distance between vertex to focus. So vertex is got it. This equation I am keeping in my mind, and immediately small a is and given focus also given. So given that focus S is given as 3 comma 1. So now small a is distance between S and A. So distance formula, root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal, here x1 means 3, y1 means, sorry, x2 means 3. So 3 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2, 1 minus of minus 2 means 1 plus 2 whole square. So simplifying this we get 1 3 minus 3 is 0, and 1 plus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9. So root 9 means 3. So a value we got it as 3. So now write the general equation of the parabola. Any doubts? So now therefore we know that equation of parabola, for this type of structure the equation of parabola is x minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k. So x minus h means what? 3. Okay, only in 2 marks concepts we may feel difficult, but in 7 marks questions very easily we can solve, because of there are no involvement of formulas, no involvement of difficulties. Very simply we can move 7 marks questions. Okay, just be patient in introduction and in 2 marks questions, then after you can feel very happy. After completion of this chapter also you can feel better to learn this chapter. So h means 3 whole square is equal, 4 means 4, a means what? A means 3 into y minus k means minus 2. So y minus of minus 2. So x minus 3 whole square equal 4 3 are 12 into y minus into minus plus 2. This is the answer of the given question. Is it clear? The same way, fourth question also like in the same process. Can you try it? Okay, I will tell you here, but you must try. Just pause the video and you try it. After that, verify with me. Because of if you don't get, then what is the solution? Again, I can't, may not repeat this concept. Okay, same. First, x-axis, y-axis. 1 comma minus 2 vertex. Focus 1 comma minus 7. Find the equation of parabola. Can I remove this or may? Okay, note down. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, so and so. First vertex is 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2. Here vertex A, focus 1 comma minus 7, 1 comma minus 7. Here focus, yes. So parabola may be like downwards. Means what? For this, x minus h whole square equal minus 4a into y minus k. So what is h comma k? What is a? We have to find. First, given that vertex is 1 comma minus 2, almost this is hk, and focus is 1 comma minus 7, and small a means distance between s and a, that is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal x1 means 1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus y2 means minus 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. So 1 minus 1 0, minus minus plus 7 minus 2 5, 5 square means 25. So root 25 means 5, a value 5. Substitute values in this and simplify, we get the required equation of parabola. Okay, is it clear? Am I first? Please put in comment whatever you feel, and also please click the like button. Please share with your friends and give comment, and also if you are newly watching, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, share with your friends. Okay, let we enter into fifth question. Okay, small questions. Okay, just we have to know what is the general equation of parabola by using graph. So by this type of graph, what is the general equation? That we have to remember by hearting or practicing or whatever it. By observing the diagram, we have to say what is the general equation of parabola, and that we can proceed. Okay, so let me go to next problem. Yes, some another points. So finally, these are the key points in this parabola. Okay, in the some unknowns questions also, these are only useful concepts. First one, tangent equation of parabola. This is also s1 equal to 0. That means y1 minus 2a into x, 2a of x plus x1 equal to 0. Okay, next, normal equation of parabola is y into x minus x1 plus 2a into y minus y1 equal to 0. Third point, parametric equations of parabola are x is equal to at square, y equal to 2at. Next, a point on parabola means generally if whenever we need to take a point on parabola, at that time we can take generally these only parametric equations only taken as a point, that is at square comma 2at, and end of lattice rectum, not only end of lattice rectum, end of focal chord, end of chord, ends of chords, ends nothing but extremities, edges. Okay, at square comma 2at and a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Okay, this is also very helpful formula in 2 marks questions. Next, last one, condition for y equal to mx plus c is tangent to y square equal to 4ax is c equal to a by m. So, here c equal to a by m is the condition when y equal to mx plus c is said to be tangent of y square equal to 4x. At that time c equal to a by m is the condition. So, this condition is helpful to solve the problems of 2 marks. And point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. So, here m nothing but it is a slope of the line. Okay. From here also we can say m means slope of the line. Okay. So, please note down these points and come to the question. If 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord of parabola y square equal to 8x, then find other extremity. Okay. Focal chord extremities 2 are there. Okay, 2 are there passing through focus. One is given 1 by 2 comma 2. Second one is asking what is the other extremity. So, very simple, extremities are taken. A t square 2a t is 1 compared with that, and a by t square 2a by t is what? Minus 2a by t. So, this one is given, this one is asking. Very simple or not? So, whenever you know the formula, we can solve. So, first given that parabola equation y square equal to 8x, generally compare with the general equation y square equal to 4ax. From these two we can write 4a means 8, that is a means 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, a value is 2. First do this one for each and every problem. So, then after enter into the problem solution. Here 1 by 2 comma t is one extremity. Yes. So, given that one extremity is given as 1 by 2 comma 2. Generally one extremity is what? Two extremities are there. One is a t square comma 2a t. So, a t square comma 2a t is compared with 1 by 2 comma 2, and he is asking what is? So, second extremity, second is what? A by t square comma minus 2a by t is equal to what? That is the question. First to simplify this, using this what is a value already we found, what is t value here we can find. After getting a and t value, substitute in this, we can get the answer. Okay. So, comparing first to a t square equal to 1 by 2, comparing second to 2a t is equal to 2. Okay. So, 2a means what? 2 into t is equal to 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja cancel. So, t equal to center right side goes to right side 1 by 2. T value what? 1 by 2. So, here if you simplify here also we get same answer. Am I right? A means 2 into t square is equal to 1 by 2. So, t square equal to goes to denominator becomes 1 by 4 and t value is 1 by 2. In both way we get same answer. Yes. So, t value 1 by 2 got it. One extremity is given, using one extremity we find t value, and second extremity what? So, second extremity is generally a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Substitute in this, a means what? 2 by t square means 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square comma minus 2 into a means 2, am I right? 2 by t means 1 by 2. Is that only? A by t square minus 2a by t. So, now 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. So, 2 by 1 by 4 comma 2 into 2 minus 4 by 1 by 2. So, whenever denominator is a fraction, it goes to numerator. So, directly 4 2 ja 8, 2 and minus 4 minus 8. This is the second extremity of the given question. Okay. So, next one more question. Please note down, take a screenshot, write down. Okay. So, next sixth one, very clear. One extremity is given, that is compared with a t square to a t. Simplify, we get a t value, and you take second extremity is a by t square comma minus 2a by t. So, we must remember these concepts, very useful concepts for 2 marks questions, but in 7 marks no need to know, because of in 7 marks generally by using our basic knowledge of mathematics we can solve the 7 marks problems. Next, sixth question. find the value of k if the line, find value of k if the line 2y is equal 5x plus k, 5x plus k. Questions I can't remember, that's why I am writing from the question book. Is a tangent to the parabola, is a tangent to parabola y square equal 6x. What is asking? What is find value of k? So this one we have to find, and given that this is the line is tangent to given parabola. So if a line is given tangent to parabola means what is the condition? Okay, if line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to y is equal to 4x, the condition is c equal to a by m. So by using this condition we can find k value. So first, given that line equation 2y is equal 5x plus k, that means y equal to 2 centration goes to 5 by 2x plus k by 2. So comparing with y equal to mx plus c, what is m? 5 by 2. What is c value? K by 2. Next, parabola equation also given, that is y square equals 6x. Generally comparing with general equation y square equal 4ax. Now say, tell me what is 4a? 6. So a value 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. So a value is 3 by 2. So we have each and every value, whatever we can write from the given equations, that we have written. And now take the condition. Condition is c equal to a by m. So here c means what? K by 2 is equal, a means what? 3 by 2, m means what? Slope 5 by 2, 2 to cancel, and k by 2 is equal 3 by 5, and k equal 2 goes to right side, 2 3 ja 6 by 5 is the answer. Okay, just remember condition of tangent of parabola is c equal to a by m. Using this condition, substitute the values and simplify, we get the answer. Yes? Can I take next question? Okay. Sixth question is find, and more only 9 questions are there, 2 marks questions. Okay. Find the equation of tangent to the parabola. Find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent asking to parabola y square equal 16x, which makes y square equal 16x, which makes 60 degrees with x axis, also find point of contact. Okay. So find the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent we have to find, and parabola equation is given y square equal to 16x, and which is makes a 60 degrees angle. First, given that parabola equation y square equal to 16x, comparing with the general equation y square equal to 4ax, and that means 4a we get 16, 4 1 ja 4 4 ja, a value got it as 4. Okay. Next, one more point is given, that is angle is given. What is the angle? It is 60 degrees, given that 60 degrees. Whenever angle given, at that time we can find the slope, that is m is tan theta. Am I right? So then m equal to immediately m nothing but slope means tan theta. So here theta is given tan 60 value is root 3. So m value, slope also we got it. And what we have to find? Tangent equation. What is the tangent equation? Y equal to mx plus c. Do you know m we know, x no need to. What is c? Constant. Can you say what is constant? So to know c value, again we have to use this condition. Okay. So first, equation of tangent is y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so this is the equation 1. We need to find m value and we need to find c value. Already m value we got it and c is needed to find. So you can find c by using the condition c equal to a by m, the last formula. So most probably these formulas are very useful. So this generally we can use. This also will come in the next, and these are reference same formulas, and this is the one more new formula. Okay, so now equation 1, condition of tangent to parabola is what? C equal to a by m. C means c only here, a means 4, can I write here 4, by m means root 3. So we got its c value also. Now substitute m c values in equation 1, we get the answer. Okay, now substitute m equal to root 3, c equal to 4 by root 3 in equation 1. So then equation 1 becomes y equal to m means root 3 into x plus c means 4 by root 3. So this is the tangent equation, and more if you simplify root 3 into y, root 3y is equal to root 3 into root 3x, 3x plus 4. Okay, so now 3x minus root 3y plus 4 equals 0. So this is the required tangent equation. Next, one more question also asking in this question, also find the point of contact. What is the point of contact? See here, the point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by. Write this formula and substitute in this formula values, we can get the point of contact. Okay, so point of contact here I am doing, point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m is equal, a means what here 4, 4 by m square means we get root 3 square means 3, otherwise write down comma 2a, so 2 into 4 by m means root 3, so is equal 4 by 3 comma 2 4 ja 8 by root 3. So this is the point of contact. Okay, any doubts? Okay, I will keep the video very near to that problem. Okay, yes, shall we go to next problem? Yes, last two questions are there. In the previous one, 7th one question, am I right? Yeah. 8th question, find the condition for straight line lx plus my plus n equal 0 to be a tangent to the parabola y square equal 4ax, and find the coordinates of the point of contact. Actually we have formula for y equal to mx plus c. Okay, but we don't know formula for lx plus my plus n equal 0, am I right? So using that knowing formula, we can find another formula to this type of straight line also. So very simple. Next one more question is that these 9 questions are 2 marks questions are completed in this part. So these are enough, and if you want, if anything is needed in 2 marks questions, I will try to make the another video after long questions, because of in the next part I will make for long questions. First we have to complete important sums. Okay, by these important sums only we can get good score. Easily 70 to 75 marks we can reach by preparing important questions. Okay, yeah. Find the condition for straight line lx plus my plus n equals 0. Okay, already I have written. Yes, so given that straight line is lx plus my plus n equal to 0, that means my is equal minus lx minus n, that means y equal minus l by mx minus n by m. Okay, so comparing with general equation mx plus c, compared these two, what is m? So m nothing but minus l by m, and constant means minus n by m. So this m is different than this one. This one used y equal to mx plus c equation and condition. Okay, so we know that condition is c equal to a by m. So here c means what? Minus n by m. A means a, by m means what? M means minus L by m. Okay. Second equation, parabola y square equal to 4x. So here a means a only, there is nothing changed. That's why here instead of a is written. C means constant term from the line equation, that is minus n by m. And m means slope for the y equal to mx plus c. This is the slope. But here slope of this equation means minus L by m. Okay. So that is minus L by m. By simplifying this, we can get the condition. That's it. Here it is in denominator fraction, goes to numerator. So minus n by m is equal minus goes to written am by L. And doing cross multiplication, m into minus am square is equal L into n ln or nl. So this is the condition. That's it. What is condition? Am square equal ln. It is over. Next, what is coordinates of point of contact also asking. Okay. Point of contact formula is what? A by m square comma 2am. So point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. So a means a only here also because of same parabola, but m means slope of the line of y equal to mx plus c. So here slope of the line of lx plus my plus n is minus L by m. So instead of m, what we have to write? Minus L by m. So it is square is there, minus L by square write down. And 2a by m means again minus L by m. Okay, did you get clarity about here m is there, here m is there? That's why I am saying. Okay. So a by square of L, we get L square by m square, L square by m square, comma minus 2a by L by m. So obviously the denominator goes to numerator because of denominator has a fraction. So goes to numerator am square by L square, comma minus 2am by L. So this is the answer, point of contact. Of course, this is also you can remember as a formula. Okay. In formulas also, one more formula also you can write. Same, the condition of y lx plus my plus n equal 0 is tangent to y square equal 4x is am square equal to ln, and point of contact is am square by L square minus 2am by L. In that way also you can write another formula, but no need. So if you remember, that is enough. Next, last question is there. With this we can complete very short question. Okay. Thank you. Last one, find the tangent and normal to the parabola. Ninth one, find the tangent and normal to the parabola over chalk piece. Y square equal to 8x at 2 comma 4. So here point is given 2 comma 4. Okay. Yes, whenever point is given, at that time the tangent equation is what and normal equation is what. If slope is given, tangent equation taken as y equal to mx plus c. That's very clear. Whenever the point is given, at that time the tangent equation is y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 equal 0. And the normal equation is y into x, y of x minus x1 plus 2a of y minus y1 equal to 0. So write these two formulas, substitute x1 y1 is 2 comma 4, a means we can get from this. So that's it, we can complete. Okay. Solution. So given that y square equal to 8x, comparing with y square equal to 4ax, and these two equations we can write 4a is 8, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, a equal to 2. And point is given that point 2 comma 4, that is x1 to y1 4, and write down one by one. Two equations asking, one is tangent equation. First one, equation of tangent is what? Y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 equal 0. y means y1 means 4 minus 2a means what? 2 into x plus x1 means 2 is equal to 0. So y into 4, 4y, 2 to the 4x, 2 to the 4 to the 8 is equal to 0. So in each and every term we can take 4 common. I am taking minus 4 common. So minus y plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 4 send right side. So remaining x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the answer. Similarly asking what is normal equation. Okay. So next to write the normal equation formula and substituting that we get the answer. Second one, equation of normal is, what is the equation of normal? Tell me. We have to remember y into x minus x1 plus 2a of y minus y1 is equal to 0. So y means y only, x means x only. Sorry, something is not y into, y1 into, okay, y1 into, y1 means what? 4 into x minus x1 is 2 plus 2 into a is 2 into again y minus y1 is 4. So 4 into x, 4x, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 2 to the 4, 4 into y, 4y, 2 to the 4, 4 into 4, 16. So 4x plus 4y minus 8 minus 16 how much? Minus 24 equal 0. In each and every term 4 is taken as common, then remaining is x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay. So these are 9 very short questions, 2 marks questions from the topic parabola, and again and again I am saying these are enough, these are enough, these are enough. Okay. Any doubt? Okay dear friends, let us meet in the next video, 7 marks questions. Okay, there are also very limited 7 marks questions are there, and very most important questions also there. I will inform you which one is very most, which one is compulsory to learn for the examination purpose, and also how to get good score also I will tell you. So thank you for watching our classes. Thank you, bye bye.